Money doesn't grow on trees. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Money is a valuable commodity that is not easily obtained. It requires hard work, dedication, and often sacrifice. While the phrase, "money doesn't grow on trees," may seem obvious, its underlying message holds great significance. Understanding this proverb can teach us valuable life lessons and help us make wise financial decisions. To apply this proverb to our lives, we must first recognize the importance of responsible money management. We should strive to live within our means, budgeting our expenses carefully and avoiding excessive debt. By cultivating smart spending habits and saving diligently, we can pave the way towards financial security. Moreover, the proverb reminds us to be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes or easy money promises. Success is seldom achieved overnight, and opportunities that seem too good to be true often have hidden risks. Instead, we should focus on setting realistic goals, investing in our skills and education, and building a strong foundation for long-term success. When faced with financial difficulties or setbacks, embracing the wisdom of this saying can provide us with motivation and resilience. It encourages us to persevere through challenging times, reminding us that achieving financial stability requires consistent effort and perseverance. In conclusion, the saying, "money doesn't grow on trees," serves as a vital reminder in our pursuit of financial success. By managing our finances responsibly, avoiding temptations for quick wealth, and staying resilient through hardships, we can overcome obstacles and pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Remember, money is not easily obtained, but with the right mindset and the right strategies, we can create opportunities for ourselves and achieve the financial stability we desire. It is crucial to understand that money is not something that is handed to us effortlessly, but rather something that we must work hard for and make wise decisions about. By utilizing this wisdom in our lives, we can truly reap the rewards of our efforts and build a secure financial future. So remember, money doesn't grow on trees, but with determination, perseverance, and smart financial choices, we can make it grow in our lives. Money doesn't grow on trees. Cultivating a mindset of financial responsibility and growth. To truly internalize the importance of the saying, "money doesn't grow on trees," we must take action in our lives. It starts with educating ourselves about personal finance and understanding the power of budgeting and saving. By setting clear financial goals and tracking our spending habits, we can make informed decisions that align with our long-term aspirations. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.